Hey, what's up you guys? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Melina, back with another fun tutorial on this modern Chola makeup look. I just love this look. These lashes are so extra and I just love the dark vampy lip. Make sure you leave me a thumbs up if you like this video and subscribe to my channel, okay? So yeah, if you want to see how I achieve this look, go ahead and keep watching, and thank you for tuning in. So here I'm just going in with a fluffy blending brush and I'm applying the shade of Canvas out of the James Charles Morphe palette. I'm just dusting that all over my lid to set the eyeshadow primer. I did use the Urban Decay eyeshadow potion primer, but you can use a concealer or anything else that you prefer. Now I'm going in with the same brush and just dusting the shade of No Beans onto my outer V and just lightly blending that into my crease. I'm picking up a clean blending brush and I am just blending that into my crease a little bit more. And now I'm just blending that out. Now this look is going to be very bold, very dramatic. But I definitely do not want my eyes to be the center focus of this look. So although I do want some color to my eyes, I want to diffuse that out as much as possible so that the bold lip could be the main focus. Just keep blending, you guys. Right when you think you're done, just take another look and blend a little bit more. Now with the tapered flat brush, I am just applying some concealer to my lid for a soft crease look. And I'm just gently cutting that crease. Now I'm going in with the Co James shade and I'm using the same brush that I used earlier to gently dab some of that shade onto my crease, because although I do want to keep it simple, I did want to have some sort of dimension in between the brown and the cream concealer. So I just feel like this orangey brown shade gives me a little bit of a dimension to my eye, so it's not just so flat. And now with the clean brush, I just blended that out because I definitely don't want to have any harsh lines. Now I'm just going back in with the same concealer brush that I used earlier and I cleaned up that concealer just a little bit. With my Bobbi Brown eyeliner brush, I'm going in with my black gel liner and I'm just applying that on the line closest to my lash just to set a base for where I want my eyeliner to be. Now obviously I want my liner to be super sharp, you know, those wings that can kill somebody type of liner. And I will not be able to achieve that with this brush because it is a little bit thick. So after I'm done applying the gel liner to my lash line, I'm gonna go ahead and be switching out to the NYX Professional Makeup That's the Point eyeliner, and it looks just like a marker. The tip is very helpful when it comes to drawing out that line and really making it look sharp. Now I'm switching over to my lips, and I am using a Covergirl Perfect Point Plus in the shade of Espresso. And this is actually an eyeliner, but I like to use it on my lips because it's so smooth, it just glides on. I'm also drawing a couple of lines in my lips just to give me a little bit of a contour. Now, I usually don't do my eyebrows until the very end of my makeup look. It's kind of like my final step. But because I'm on camera and I remember that I look crazy with that eyebrows, I'm going to go ahead and jump back to my eyebrows right now and just work on those so that I don't look like a crazy person. I'm using my Morphe eyeliner brush, and I'm going in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Pomade in the shade of dark brown. Now I'm going in, and like I said, guys, this is a modern look. Otherwise, I would just simply be going in with a probably the same lip liner that I used and just drawing some arched thin brows. But I'm gonna skip that today. I'm gonna be doing them a little bit more on the natural side, not so arched, and a little bit more thicker. I feel like that's one thing I've noticed, like cholitas nowadays, they do their eyebrows thicker than how we did them back in the days. And thank God for that. Makeup has definitely evolved. I don't know if you guys know this, guys, but back in high school, I shaved off my eyebrows. I used to wax my eyebrows off because I wanted my eyebrows to be the thinnest brows, sharpest brows around. And that's why I had to go get them microbladed now, because I have no hairs. So as you saw there, I went in with my Kylie Jenner True Brown lip liner, and I shaded in a thicker layer of lip liner. Then I went in with my Too Faced matte lipstick in the shade of When in Doubt, and I just rubbed that all over my lips. Now I'm going in with my Anastasia Beverly Hills lip palette, and I'm going in with the primary color 3, which is the red. There's 2 reds on there, and it's going to be the darkest red. Now I'm picking up the same blending brush that I used for my crease. And you can't see it on camera, but I used the James Charles palette, and I picked up the Spooky shade, which is the color black. And I'm just gently applying that on my corners of my lips. Gently just dabbing that for an ombre effect. Now I do want to make sure that I stick with the black only on my outer corners and pretty much leave the red alone as much as possible, because I don't want to have a black lip. I want to have an ombre lip. Now I'm just curling my lashes. Now back in high school I did this look, but I definitely did not wear falsies. My lashes were on point back then, so all I had to do was apply mascara. Now here I'm applying the Better Than Sex mascara. Now you can apply any mascara that you may have. Now obviously my lashes are not what they used to be, so thank God for Homegirlz Beauty Shop. I'm applying the lashes in the style of East Side. Now I'm just going in with my NYX eyeliner in black and lining my waterline on the bottom and the top. Applying some more mascara to my bottom lashes and just shading in the bottom lash line with an eyeliner brush in the shade of No Beans Again. Let me know what you guys think down below, and thank you so much for tuning in, guys.